Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for a science exam. First, understand your exam's format and what topics it covers. Then, create a study schedule that fits your routine, allocating specific times for each subject. Gather all your materials, like notes, textbooks, and past assignments, to ensure you have everything you need. This organized approach will set you up for success. Engaging actively with your study material is crucial. Don't just passively read. Summarize key concepts in your own words to truly grasp them. Visual learners benefit greatly from drawing diagrams and flowcharts to illustrate complex processes. Try explaining difficult topics aloud to yourself or a friend. This method helps solidify your knowledge and identify any gaps. Consistent practice is essential for mastering science concepts. Work through as many practice problems as possible, including any past exam questions you can find. Regularly test your knowledge using flashcards or self-made quizzes to identify areas needing more attention. Crucially, review your incorrect answers thoroughly to understand why they were wrong and prevent repeating those errors. On the day of your exam, proper preparation extends beyond studying. Ensure you get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep the night before to keep your mind sharp. Eat a balanced meal to maintain energy levels throughout the test. Arrive early at the exam location with all necessary supplies, like pens, pencils, and a calculator, to minimize stress and focus entirely on your exam.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.